Hello everyone. So basically, what we need to do here in Claudia's case, uh, if it's possible, actually. So since that was actually a transaction that was manually created, it was paid through e-transfer. Is it possible that that transaction is deleted and created again so we can do it on this way? We created here the two new setup fees. It should be actually done from the beginning like this. So the setup fees should be split: SAG marketing setup fee and a fee for semi-annual fee. So instead of putting everything on one setup fee. If not, basically all we need to do is deduct, let me check the amount, 239.96, so from this amount on Claudia's name. And also we have a case with Richard. Basically, he replaced the order with the other client. So this client actually never wanted a talk marketing, but it was charged 300 by the order. So on Richard's case, from this amount should be deducted 300. I'm so sorry, guys, for bothering you with this once again, but it should be done as soon as possible so we do not have any discrepancies in clients and stats and anything else for the next month. Thanks.